When we have choices, we have power. Real strength is rooted in the ability to remain fluid. The capacity to anticipate change and react wisely to it extends the life cycle of any living thing. In this way, versatility promotes growth and builds courage. Large and small, complex and simple, a solution becomes revolutionary when it is capable of transcending traditional boundaries. The power to withstand, the endurance to persevere. These are the things that inspire confidence and empower bold decisions. When these ideas interact, the potential is limitless. The AD-Series from Schlage.